Hey there, adventurers! Welcome back to Everything RVs and More. Today, we're tackling a topic every trailer enthusiast needs to master: uphill leveling. Now, leveling uphill can be a challenge, but fear not. We've got some game-changing tips and tricks to make your uphill leveling a breeze. Tip 1. Choosing the right spot. First things first, scout your parking spot. Look for a level-ish area and aim to position your trailer with the uphill side facing the slope. This sets the stage for a smoother leveling process. Tip 2. Chalk the downhill side. Chalk the wheels on the downhill side. This prevents any unexpected rolling while you're working on leveling. Safety first, always. Tip 3. Use leveling blocks strategically. Now, the leveling blocks come into play. Place them under the tires on the uphill side, adjusting the height as needed. This incremental approach ensures a gradual and controlled lift. Tip 4. Fine-tune with your stabilizers. Don't forget your stabilizers. Once you've got the trailer leveled, extend those stabilizers to enhance the overall stability. It's like creating a solid foundation for your home on wheels. And there you have it, folks. Mastering uphill leveling is all about strategy and precision. Apply these tips, and you'll be enjoying that sunset from a perfectly leveled spot in no time. If you enjoy these tips and our video creations, please like, subscribe, and share this video. In the meantime, cheers!